Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start immediately. First, confirm your iPhone runs the latest iOS, because many multitasking features depend on updates. Once done, install a reputable split-screen app from the App Store, or decide to use Picture-in-Picture with Safari or compatible apps. Make sure Picture-in-Picture is enabled in Settings. These steps set the stage, update, download, and enable PyP, then move on to opening the two views you want to use together. Now open the app you installed and create two panes or windows. Most apps show a plus or new window button. Tap it and load the second web page or app view. If you're using Safari, start a video, tap the Picture-in-Picture icon to float video, then switch to another app to work side by side. Once both views are visible, drag the divider or use built-in resize handles to set proportions. Adjust content, and tap a pane to focus input or control plate. To finish, save the layout if the dual-window app supports sessions, or bookmark both pages so you can reopen them quickly. If a pane freezes or content won't update, force quit the app and relaunch it, and make sure both the app and iOS are up to date. One key troubleshooting tip: if Picture-in-Picture won't start, check that the source app permits PyP and that low power mode is off. It can block some background features. Retry after those checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.